We'll start with the Mendel's third law, which is also known as Mendel's law of independent assortment. When more than one pair of characters are involved in a cross, factor pair independently segregate from the other pair of characters. जैसे कि नाम से ही पता चल रहा है कि independent assort means मिलना, means two pairs or we can say the two characters. जैसे कि एनसीईआरटी है तो थोड़ा डिजाइनर लैंग्वेज होना ही चाहिए एज यूजुअल to confuse us. Means two pairs combine in an hybrid. Segregation of one pair of characters means जो एक character है वो दूसरे character से independent assort होगा, inheritant होगा. Then why did Mendel's work remain unrecognized? The first reason is that communication was not easy and his work could not be widely published. The concept of genes, or we can say factors, as stable and discrete units was not accepted. That is, Mendel could not explain the continuous variation seen in the nature. Third, Mendel's mathematical approach was totally new and unacceptable. Fourth, Mendel could not provide any physical proof for existence of these factors, which is the genes. अब मेंडेलियन का इनहेरिटेंस देख लिया, अब आएंगे नॉन मेंडेलियन में. नॉन मेंडेलियन हैज 5 types. First is incomplete dominance, second is codominance, third is multiple allelism, fourth is polygenic inheritance, fifth is pleiotropy. First, incomplete dominance. It is the inheritance in which the offspring shows characteristics intermediate between two extreme parental characteristics. Means in this जो dominant factor है वो अपने character को express नहीं कर पाता completely. As वो completely पूरी तरह से express character नहीं कर पाता, इसी वजह से एक intermediate type का कुछ बन जाता है. That is the phenotype, which is totally different from the both the parents. For example, here the parents red and white, the gametes which gives pink color. Here एक twist आता है. If we go with the Mendelian inheritance, तो हमें इधर red मिलता और फर्स्ट जनरेशन में रेड मिल जाता था, बट हियर हमें मिल रहा है पिंक. सो उससे सेल्फिंग करके विल गेट फिनोटाइप रेशियो 1:2:1, जीनोटाइप रेशियो 1:2:1.